I literally had somebody message me and ask me, Austin, is this the end? Is this the end for Bitcoin? I mean, we saw it bounce below 55,000. Should I sell all my Bitcoin? That kind of stuff. And I'm like, okay, there's a video in that. So I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on. I'm buying, just FYI. I'll disclose that up front. I'm buying Bitcoin, buying even more. I bought some at 55 and I'm continuing to buy a little bit more at these prices. Am I going all in? No, because I think we might have some more downside volatility here. Okay. We're going to talk about what's going on with Bitcoin. This is definitely Bitcoin news. This is Bitcoin news today that you need. So let's talk about what's going on. Okay. So in my opinion, should you sell all your Bitcoin? No, of course not. But hey, you got to do what's right for you. It's not investing advice, all that kind of stuff. Okay. Look, I want to show you something. Look, Bitcoin right now is down 2.5%. We saw it go down below 55,000. In fact, on the 24-hour right there, you could see, no, that's not volume. So that's volume. My apologies. Volume's up 38%. Look, 55 billion. Wow, that's pretty significant right there. Oh, actually 53. Wow. Okay. That shows you. I actually was just looking at 55. We dropped below 55, went to 53.7. I hadn't looked at that, to be honest with you. Wow, that's genuine shock and surprise on my face there for you. Okay, look, 7-day down 6.7%. And on the 1 month, we're down 20+%. Okay, so, all right. Here's one thing I would say to you. Right now, Bitcoin's at a 20% discount over what it was a month ago. That's not bad. 20% discounts, not bad for Bitcoin. That's a pretty good price. Is this the end? Of course not. It's not no. Should you sell all yours? No. Have a plan, have a profit plan, all that kind of stuff, but it's not time to sell. Okay. So look, here's some other things I want to share with you. If you haven't seen this, it's something I talk about all the time. There's absolutely one of the best um, accounts over on X, Twitter, that I love to follow is Rect Capital. And this is a chart. And I've showed this in various videos, but I continue to show it because to me, this is one of the easiest and best graphical representations of historically based precedents that show when and how how Bitcoin moves up and moves down, its volatility and all that. Look, on the left, you have 2020. This is the Bitcoin halving cycle. 2020, this was the halving cycle. There was the blue line was the halving event itself. The pink box was the post-halving reaccumulation phase, basically kind of the volatility consolidation phase that happened for about 160 days, give or take. Right there, you can see it. And then you have the green box, which was the parabolic phase for Bitcoin, where we saw back in 2020, 21, all the way into 22, Bitcoin go from just shy of 12,000 all the way to 68,000. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so you fast forward over here to the right. This is 2024. And you have the halving event that happened in April of this year. You have the pink box, which we're halfway basically through the middle of it right now. You have the green parabolic box. Okay. So my point to you is this is to be expected. This is normal. This is where we're at. Okay. And this is historically based precedents that show you what and how Bitcoin moves and all this kind of stuff. And to me, this chart right here helps me sleep at night. Period. End of story, because Bitcoin's doing exactly what we expected and what we think it's due and what we're supposed to do. So I ain't selling. This is why I'm buying. Look, bottom line, remember, buy on the red days, sell on the green days. Buy on the days when the fear and greed index is in fear. You should be buying on those days. You should be selling when when it's greed and everybody's coming in and they're buying. Sell to them, right? That's it. Austin, we know that. But do you really? Do you follow that? Look, here's the thing. Bitcoin's not going anywhere. It isn't. Bitcoin is here to stay. And right now, I just showed you, it's at a 21% discount off of what it was 30 days ago. By the way, you want some help in knowing when to buy and when to sell any and all cryptos? Check out my trading indicator. Links in the description below. Look right there. 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. This is Bitcoin right there. 3 days ago, it said it was time to sell Bitcoin, and that's a 12% move down. And then right there, you can see about 3 hours ago, it basically said it was time to now buy again. Okay. So said a different way, the software could have helped you save 13%. How big is your Bitcoin holding? Food for thought, right? Links in the description below if you want to check it out. Like I said, a 30-day, no questions asked. There's a discount code down there as well. Makes the software cost about $1 a day. Is $1 a day worth it to you to get alerts set where you can have alerts sent to your phone telling you when to buy and sell any crypto you care about? By the way, you can use it for stocks too. Here, I'll prove it to you. Let me show you this. Like this is Brett. There's Brett's chart. Like this. Well, look, let me show you. This is Brett. Like there's Brett moved down. Actually, I was going to show you stock, but Brett down to there. That's a 17%. And then there's a buy alert right there. And now we're up 9%. But I'll show you this. I'll prove it to you. Here's Netflix. Here's the Netflix chart right there. Boom, right there. So that's the software working on Netflix. Like, let's see, like right there. From there to there is about a 3%. Obviously, stocks don't move as much as crypto, but there you go. It's working for Netflix. There's Apple right there. There's Tesla right there. Okay, look, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Boom to that. 33% in the last 9 days. That's Tesla chart. So you can use it for any and all stocks, any and all cryptos. Works perfectly. Thanks for giving me a few minutes. I appreciate you. Look, we're not going anywhere. Bitcoin's not going anywhere. Should you panic and sell? Hell no. It's not time. Stay in this. Thanks for giving me a few minutes. I'll see you.